Underneath the truck now, so I got everything soaked a little bit, but I think I need more of that spray because there's some spots I missed and I try to get now. All right. Freaking axle's all soaked with oil and shit. And this is why it isn't a show truck anyway. Oh. Alright. Okay, here we go. RTV sealant. For this side. So anyway, here's all I could find of the oil pan, the seams all dripping on there. I was hoping I could reach it. It's kind of hard to do it now with this freaking line in a way. I think that's the transmission coolant lines. Let's start from here. Okay. Oh, come on. It's fucking water, man. Damn. This ain't good. I'm trying. Okay, let's see if I can do it with both hands. It's kind of hard to see because of the fucking shadow and that damn ugly light, and the camera isn't bright enough. Son of a bitch. Yeah, somebody told me this idea, so it was all me. I was thinking, I came up with this is probably thinking that was only for like newer vehicles. I'm pretty sure it seems different, but this one, it's a little bit difficult. I had to cut that up a little bit. Yeah, I know putting this stuff on a head gasket is easier, but on an oil pan, just the outside of it, must be difficult. Well, you know what? Oh no, wait, gosh, freaking minute. I think okay, seam's over in the top, so it's gonna be very difficult, but let's just inspect the hand gasket. I think I probably bought this for nothing anyway, so I didn't really need it, but let's see. Take a look, see here. Okay, that has to be clean again. Get some rags. Okay. Okay, let's try this again. But I figure I'm gonna get the damn cleaner again and just scrub a little bit. There we go. Fucking thing ran out of it. I mean, I got the axle cleaner than it was. Try to get this rest of my own on the damn rag. Ooh, I like your idea. That's for the oil coolant. So I figured it's leaking from there. That'll stop the leak. It's part of it. Oh shit. So late the police are running after somebody. Sirens are on. Blaring. Okay, now we're gonna fill the oil in, but start putting loose oil, stabilize our engine, stop leak first. And pour the whole thing in there. And then 4 quarts of oil. No funnel was needed. Okay, now we're gonna put some motor oil. Yeah, no need for a funnel on this truck, especially these small quart cans, quart balls. And you got that oil filler neck that's extended. But the newer trucks don't have that oil filler neck like that anymore. It's like around the valve cover. So I had to use some kind of special adapter hook on there to just so I can fit a funnel there so it won't spill everything. You know, right now it takes CRW20. And they're like 8 quarts. For years, Chevy's been using 5W30. And then Ford, they use 5W20. Oh, shoot. Okay, last bottle. Alright, we're gonna start up a Yukon. Okay, we're gonna let that lubricate. Yep, see, told you. That some of the deck spools don't get in that the hose underneath the reservoir. It's this hose on the radiator filler next to the radiator. Oh, pretty soon I'm gonna get new center caps because this one's rusting and this one's getting worse. So I'm gonna get chrome center caps.
Like that's just fucking fun.
Oh yeah.
A couple weeks ago when I was putting the windshield wipers back together.
Oh, shh. Okay, we're gonna check the dipstick. Oh yeah, look how clean looking that looks. Very clear. Okay, we're done with the oil change. Yeah, I accidentally hit the stop button, so this is gonna be a two-part video, so we'll see you later.